Food content isn't my vibe, but however I got a Red Bull. I don't know if it needs to be like a muck drink to do a mukbang, but here goes. And then I guess you want a bit, is that a mukbang? Have I got to say mukbang? I still have to do that thing. That's going to be bigger in a minute. Oh, when the penny drops, I'm supposed to be eating food, not just drinking. Now I get it. I get it. Right, okay. So that's not probably alright. I suppose I can do a McDonald's sometime. But yeah, that'll do it for a minute.